has a supermodel mom, Gisele Bündchen. She's known for posting photos of her glamorous lifestyle online, right? A quick scan of her Instagram feed shows photo shoots, luxurious vacations, shopping trips, yada, 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 and sweet parenting moments as well, right? Well, her most recent photo has created a feeding frenzy among the haters. Here it is, Gisele nursing her daughter with the caption, "What would I do without this beauty squad after the 15 hours flying and only 3 hours of sleep? Hashtag multitasking, getting ready." Well, cue the backlash. Okay, some people are saying this is obnoxious, it's outrageous, you're promoting an unrealistic image for regular moms. What do you guys think of this photo?
I mean, this is her lifestyle. How can you blame her for how she is able to get it all done? She has an entourage. She has the money for the entourage. I don't blame her at all. That's how she does it.
Leave Gisele alone. Leave her alone.
Well, and the way I see it is she's thanking her team. She's saying it takes a team for me to look good, right?
Exactly.
Don't you think?
And that's what J-Lo said. She said, it takes a village for me to look the way that I look. So, and she's just saying, you're right. It's
well, the
not
thing
easy.
with Gisele, though, she gets picked apart a lot because she's very outspoken about pregnancy and about breastfeeding. Here's some things she said before. She once told Harper's Bazaar, quote, "I think there should be a worldwide law, in my opinion, that mothers should breastfeed their babies for 6 months." Okay, that fired people up.
I'm sure.
She also told Vogue, "I think a lot of people get pregnant and decide they can turn into garbage disposals," adding that she only gained 30 pounds during her pregnancy. So it's these types of things that have people waiting for her to do something.
Exactly. And I mean, yes, breastfeeding is very healthy, but some people just can't do it. Baby doesn't latch on, all of that, you know. So I'm glad that she's supporting it. And it's great to have such a beautiful spokesmodel for breastfeeding. But, you know,
tell me about it.
Come on. All right.